Welcome to our roundup of the best pet gadgets designed to make life easier, cleaner, and way more fun for both you and your furry companions. Whether you're a dog owner dealing with shedding and bath time struggles, or a cat parent trying to keep your pet entertained indoors, we've selected top-rated gadgets that combine smart design, convenience, and real-world practicality. From automatic water systems to grooming solutions and interactive toys, each product on this list solves a specific problem pet owners face daily. We'll break down key features like functionality, ease of use, durability, and overall value so you can confidently choose what fits your lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals on all these products. Let's dive in and discover the perfect gadgets to upgrade your pet care routine. The first on the list is the One Is All water fountain. The One Is All water fountain is a must-have for pet owners who want to keep their furry friends hydrated without constant refilling. Designed with convenience in mind, it features a large capacity tank, ultra-quiet pump, and multi-layer filtration system that ensures your pet always has access to fresh, clean water. The flowing water design naturally attracts pets, encouraging them to drink more often, which is essential for their health, especially for cats and small dogs prone to dehydration. The quiet operation makes it perfect for indoor use, even in small apartments without causing any disturbance. Beyond just hydration, this fountain is built for reliability and ease of maintenance. The filtration system works to remove hair, debris, and odors, improving the overall quality of the water. Cleaning is simple thanks to its detachable design, allowing you to maintain hygiene without hassle. The transparent water level window is another thoughtful addition, letting you quickly monitor when it's time for a refill. Compared to traditional bowls, this system keeps water fresher for longer and reduces the chances of bacterial buildup. Durability is another strong point. Made with pet-safe materials, the fountain is designed to withstand daily use while keeping your pets safe. It's also energy efficient, so you don't have to worry about high electricity consumption. Overall, the One Is All water fountain is an excellent investment for pet owners who prioritize hydration, cleanliness, and convenience in one compact device. Next up is the rotating dog bike leash. The rotating bike leash is perfect for active dog owners who love cycling but struggle to safely bring their pets along. It stands out with its 180-degree rotating arm, shock-absorbing system, and hands-free riding experience, making it a safer and more enjoyable way to exercise your dog. Unlike traditional leashes, this system attaches directly to your bike, maintaining a consistent distance between you and your dog while preventing tangles or sudden pulls that could cause accidents. The rotating arm is one of the most impressive features, which allows your dog to move naturally without interfering with your balance. This flexibility ensures smoother rides even when your dog changes direction or pace. The built-in shock absorption reduces the impact of sudden jerks, protecting both you and your pet from strain or injury. This makes it ideal for medium to large dogs with high energy levels who need regular exercise beyond simple walks. Installation is straightforward, and the leash is compatible with most standard bicycles. Once attached, it provides a stable and controlled experience, allowing you to focus on riding while your dog enjoys the run. Overall, the rotating bike leash is a fantastic gadget for pet owners who want to combine fitness and pet care. It promotes a healthier lifestyle for both you and your dog while ensuring safety and control during every ride. Next, we have the Waterpik Pet Wand Pro. The Waterpik Pet Wand Pro is a game changer when it comes to bathing your dog. Designed to simplify one of the most challenging pet care tasks, it features full coverage spray, one-handed operation, and indoor-outdoor compatibility that make bath time faster and less stressful. The wand-shaped design allows water to penetrate deep into your dog's coat, ensuring a thorough rinse that traditional shower heads simply can't match. What makes this tool stand out is its efficiency. The targeted spray helps remove dirt, shampoo, and loose fur quickly, reducing bath time significantly. This is especially helpful for larger dogs or breeds with thick coats, where rinsing can otherwise take a long time. The one-handed operation gives you better control, allowing you to manage your pet while rinsing without needing extra help. It also comes with multiple adapters, making it easy to connect to both indoor showers and outdoor hoses. Comfort is another major advantage. The gentle yet effective water flow ensures your pet doesn't feel overwhelmed, which is crucial for dogs that are nervous during baths. The design minimizes splashing, keeping your bathroom cleaner and making the entire process more manageable. Over time, this can turn bath time into a quicker and more positive experience for both you and your pet. Overall, it's an essential gadget for pet owners who want a faster, cleaner, and more effective way to bathe their dogs. Next, we have the Yeeve Life Laser Toy. The Yeeve Life Laser Toy is the ultimate entertainment gadget for indoor cats, designed to keep them active and mentally stimulated. It comes packed with features like automatic motion system, multiple speed modes, and timer shutoff function, making it far more advanced than traditional laser pointers. Instead of requiring manual control, this device moves the laser in unpredictable patterns, mimicking the movement of prey and triggering your cat's natural hunting instincts. This level of automation is perfect for busy pet owners who can't always dedicate time to interactive play. The different speed modes allow you to adjust the intensity based on your cat's energy level, whether they prefer a slow chase or a fast-paced hunt. The built-in timer ensures the toy doesn't overstimulate your pet, automatically turning off after a set period to give your cat time to rest. Another benefit is its ability to reduce boredom and destructive behavior. Cats that don't get enough stimulation can become restless, leading to scratching furniture or other unwanted habits. This gadget provides a healthy outlet for their energy, keeping them engaged and satisfied. It's especially useful for indoor cats who might not have access to outdoor exploration. Overall, the Yeeve Life Laser Toy is a smart and effective way to keep your cat entertained, active, and happy even when you're not around. The last one on our list is the Air Robo Grooming Kit. The Air Robo Grooming Kit is an all-in-one solution for pet owners dealing with shedding and grooming mess. It stands out with its powerful suction system, low-noise operation, and complete grooming attachments, making it one of the most practical tools for maintaining your pet's coat at home. Overall, the Air Robo Grooming Kit is a powerful, convenient, and cost-effective solution for at-home pet grooming. It combines efficiency with comfort, making it a top choice for pet owners who want to keep their pets clean while minimizing mess. So that's it for the best pet gadgets that can truly transform your daily routine as a pet owner. From keeping your pets hydrated and entertained to simplifying grooming and exercise, each of these products brings something unique to the table. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.